This is our program. I'm Joseph.
I'm Christian.
I'm Tess.
And I'm Angie, and we're the Sudoku 36 ninjas.
So right here we have the welcome screen of our program. And essentially in this screen, the users are allowed to choose the difficulty of the game they want to play. So for example, if the user wants to play a Sudoku game that's relatively easy, they'll press the easy button and then the board will pop up. And this makes it so there's 30 remaining cells. Hence, if you press restart, we go back to the start screen. You also make it medium or hard.
So the board is created by first creating the diagonal boxes and checking that each of the columns and each of the rows is now repeated in the entire length of that row and that column. And then afterwards, all the remaining boxes are filled so that the Sudoku can actually function as it's supposed to. So there's no repeating numbers in the columns or in the rows. And then you have the remove cells, which are the empty cells.
So the cell class was created to draw each cell, the sketched value, and also the actual value. Since there are 81 cells on the board, the cell class is called by the board class.
And in the main driver class, we made sure that the GUI interface works properly, and also that we are able to incorporate the board class and the cell class correctly when developing the board. There are also a bunch of minor tweaks that we have to fix, such as when you use the arrows to make sure that the outline of the red doesn't continue and it stays on the selected cell. And also there was an error where we would click the blue space between the reset, restart, and exit buttons, and that would just exit the program prematurely. But now it just makes sure that it remains, and it only makes sure to check for when you're clicking either the buttons or the grid.
So right here, we're just completing the Sudoku board. Obviously you can see we're not gonna win. So when I input this last number, a loose screen says game lost is gonna pop up saying that the user has lost the game. But you always have the option of restarting it. We'll restart it again. And if you fill out every single grid of the Sudoku and fill it out properly, you should be lucky enough to get the win screen.
Also notice how there are more filled values when you are in the easy mode, and if you were to click restart and go to the medium, you'll see there's less, and then the same when you go to hard mode.
All right.
And that's basically our
That's it.
project. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello again. So I'm Angie, and this part is just to explain how the reset works, the exit button too, since we weren't able to show it on the previous recording. And also I will be solving it so that you can see how the winning screen looks like. So let's go ahead and run this. I will be doing it on easy mode to just make it easier, and faster. And I'll speeden up this portion so you don't have to deal with me solving this. Okay, so here we have the game one screen. Now when we click exit, and now I want to show you just the reset feature. If I click on easy and then I click reset, you'll see two numbers, that again, and these are all just different variations. Restart, we're gonna go back here, and with medium, reset, and same with hard. That, and then if you ever want to just exit the window, just exit the game, click exit, and the same can be achieved by clicking this. But yeah, that's all. Thank you.